Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a mini luxury haul. The pieces that I'm going to be showing you guys are perfect for this summer. I've been eyeing them since they came out. If you know, you know, and if you don't, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, then DM me if you guys have any questions or concerns. If you guys like beauty, fashion, lifestyle content, girly content, any content that makes you feel feminine or extra feminine, then you guys would definitely love it over here. The first item that I want to show you guys are these Chanel sunglasses. I love wearing sunglasses. Like, I love my jewelry, I love my purses, but sunglasses, they just top off any look. It's just really sturdy, and I just really like how they have the quilted looking design on here. These are how the sunglasses look. Even though these look square to me, these are their rectangle sunglasses, and I believe these ones have UV protection on them. I can definitely wear these out during the summertime, honestly all year round, because black goes with anything and everything. But look how pretty these are. Ooh, like look at the gold. Okay, I need to show you guys the details like in a sec, but I just had to put these on. I just love how they look with my type of face shape. These are really tinted because the light is not even that bright in my face anymore, so I know these are gonna help block out the sun. Gold is my favorite color, but yeah, these are so nice. The sunglasses matches with my earrings that I had got from Amazon from Ana Luisa, but yeah, these are so nice. And I had got me a Fendi. I love Fendi. I wasn't even into Fendi like that, but since I'm getting older and my taste of things is expanding, out of nowhere I just started loving Fendi. I have the Fendi Baguette multicolor canvas bag, and I would have never thought that I would gravitate towards this bag, but what had got me was the size of it. It's like the perfect small size. It still looks pretty spacious, and it has pink on it. I love me some pink, baby pink, whatever. Even though I am planning to wear it during the summer, I can really see myself wearing it during the fall time too, because of the browns and the light browns, dark browns, the tans, the nudes, just these pastel colors. It has the gold hardware that does say Fendi on it, the main hardware, which is the double F's. This has a magnetic opening, so once you open it, it will look like this. It has Fendi imprinted right here, and then this is how it looks on the inside. I do want to show you guys what fits inside, and I want to model this bag too, so stay tuned towards the end of this video if you guys want to know how it looks on me. Fendi on the zipper part, the double F, this right here is iconic. They really put their logo right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Also has a zipper on the inside, and it goes, it's not that deep. I can put half of my hand in here, but you can put like cards, receipts, lip products, makeup. This doesn't feel cheap, thank God, because you know some luxury brands, sorry, piece of my hair is on here. You guys know not all luxury brands nowadays, sometimes their bags don't feel like luxury. It just feels like a normal bag. There's no feet on the bag, so I would have to be really careful while wearing this and putting it down on certain places. I would definitely purchase like a purse holder or like a purse hook to attach onto tables, so this part wouldn't touch anything. I don't want this to get dingy quick or get dingy at all. And the smell of it just smells brand new. Like, I cannot wait to wear this. It does come with another strap, and I don't know if I want to wear this strap. The quality of it is pretty good. It's not feeling flimsy, cheap, none of that from what I'm feeling. I'm not the type to wear crossbodies like that, but I will say that this strap is pretty short. It's not that long. I can probably pull off a crossbody with this bag, but let me show you guys how it looks with the crossbody. See, it's not that long when you have this strap attached to it. With all the colors that they could have choose from with the straps, I really like how they chose gray. It just evens the bag out. It's not too much brown or pink or too much nude. You can even wear the bag like this with the straps out, or just have it inwards. I kind of like it inwards because it gives it a cleaner look. Let me grab a few items like some of my main essentials and some other products, and we're gonna see what fits inside this bag. There's still enough space in here. I didn't want it to be too crowded, but I made sure to put like the main essentials that you guys would most likely need. First, we have a wallet. Then I had added a charger, had added this one, a hand cream, a hand sanitizer, and this is the Blue Skies and Sunshine one. I had recently got the In the Stars body mist. I don't know why I was sleeping on this for so long, but finally have it. Earbuds, keys. Inside the zipper, I just added my lip combo for today. Right now I'm wearing the Smashbox Be Legendary Line and Prime pencil. This is how the color looks. And for the gloss, I have the 𝐏𝐂𝐄𝐓𝐒 Confidence in a Serum gloss, and this smells so good. It smells very edible, but don't eat it, but it smells really good. Yeah, there's a lot of space in here. You could have added snacks, other makeup products. Of course, I would add my phone inside, but as you can see, like there was a lot of space for me to still add it. Now I'm gonna show you guys some mock shots of me wearing this bag and just be a reference for you guys. I am 5 feet. I weigh about 135, 140 right now. I really hope you guys enjoyed this mini luxury haul. I really enjoyed filming this for you guys. If you guys love videos like this, like, comment, subscribe to join the harmony, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.